guys, we're going to be making almond cookies, and they are keto almond cookies at that, and they are 90 calories a piece, depending on the variations of ingredients that you use. So I'm going to go down the list of things that you're going to need as ingredients and utensils that you're going to need to use or work with. So you're going to need almond extract. I think I'm saying it right. Hey, this is what you're going to need. You're also going to need some vanilla. You're going to need some baking soda. I'm going to do another variation and put some cream cheese in there, see how that tastes. You're going to need cream of tart as well. And you're going to need your almond flour. I like the super fine kind because you can use it with all in different types of recipes. And then you're going to need your stevia or any type of sugar that you like. This has 0 carbohydrates. My almond flour, it has 9 total carbohydrates for a 1/4 cup, so 150 calories. We're going to use 2 1/4 cups, that's a 1/2 cup. So yeah, anywho, I'm going to put all these ingredients in my Fitness Pal. It's going to give you all the calories, the carbohydrates, and at the end of the whole total result, you will see. It just depends on what kind of, if you want to put cream cheese in there, what kind of butter that you're going to use. All that good stuff makes up your carbohydrates and calories. Our super bowl. So you're going to need a blender, or you can do it with your hand. It's really up to you. You're going to need measuring cups, but you only need the cup, the one, so you don't need the rest of them. And you're going to need a tablespoon, the big one, and you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon. So you can see that I've been using it already. And you're going to need a mixing bowl, any type of bowl that you prefer to use to bake in. What you're going to need is a 1/2 cup of butter. So 1 stick, which is this, is a 1/2 cup of butter. Just put it in your bowl. You want it room temperature. If it's not room temperature, then you want to put it in the microwave on low. And you want to just semi-melt it or get the chill off. Because I leave butter in the refrigerator, so I had to put it on a little low chill. You're going to need a bowl or measuring cup to use to get your 2 cups of flour, almond flour. You need 1 egg, room temperature. You need a 1/4 of baking soda and a 1/4 of cream of tart. And you need a 1/2 cup of your sugar. What you want to do to start off with, you want to put your butter, which is a 1/2 cup, into your bowl and blend on low. Then you want to add or sift 1/2 cup of your flour. Then you want to add the other half in there. Then you just want to throw in your cream of tart, your baking soda, your egg, and your sugar. And then you want to throw in your vanilla extract, which is a tablespoon of each, your vanilla and almond. And then you're going to make your cookie dough. So let's get it started. I got all my ingredients in there that I named to you earlier. Next thing you want to do is just scrape the sides of the bowl. Alright. Because you want to make sure you incorporate everything in there. You want to just smash it down a little bit. Next, we're going to get that tablespoon that I was talking about right here. And you're going to add a splash of vanilla and almond. And I got the wrong outfit on today. Trying to look cute and bake does not work out. If you never had almond extract, it's really good, but it has its own unique taste. So I'm going to put more of the vanilla in here and less of the almond, because I'm not only eating these cookies, I'm going to share them. I'm going to share them with the world. So yeah. Splash. Alright. They smell so delicious. Freaking delicious. Alright, also I'm just going to add a little bit of this cream cheese. I got a third less fat than cream cheese. You can do whatever you want. And I'm just going to put in 1 ounce of this cream cheese in here. Because you know, we don't want to be wasting nothing. And I'm putting cream cheese in here because I just want to see how it's going to turn out pretty much. Is it going to give me that cream cheese deluxe feeling or not? We'll figure out. We'll find out. We will see. Because as I'm cooking, yeah, I'm cooking. And I do not do hard ingredients because I don't have time for it. So we're going to turn this blender back on and blend all this goodness together. Bam. Alright. It smells so delicious. Smell like a grandma's cookie. Alright, so it's your form. You shouldn't have to add a splash of water. You shouldn't have to do no extra nothing. If you're adding extra stuff like splashes of water and all this other stuff, listen, that fell on the side. We getting that. You shouldn't have to do all that. If you are doing that, it's because you're not measuring right. And if you measure right, you don't have these problems. So I'm going to scrape all of the rest of my cookie dough out. And you're going to let your cookie dough sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Or you can let it sit in there for 10. And then you're going to scoop it out with your spoon, which I'm going to show y'all after we let this sit for a few minutes. And then you want to preheat your oven to 350. And these cookies only takes 10 minutes to cook. So let's get this on the road. So it's your form, just like this, in your mixing bowl. Put some saran wrap on it, put it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350, and then we're going to scoop these out like you would do normal cookies. Scoop them out, put them on there, let them cook for 10 minutes, and when we come back, they're going to be the bomb. Oh my God, it smells like Christmas in here. Oh, alright, I'll be back. Alright, so we're going to move to step 2. What I actually done, I have let it sit in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. And then I took a spoon, regular spoon that you would eat soup out of or cereal, whatever. And I scooped it out like normally you would do. And then I took it and I rolled it up in a ball. And it forms really nice. So it should look like this, your dough, cookie dough. Form up in a ball. And I rolled them out. And out of the batch we made, depending on how big or small you want to make it, you should be able to get 12 to 16 or 18 cookies. Once you put them on there, you just want to press them down gently with your hand. You shouldn't have no cookie residue sticking to the bowl or your hand because of the butter content that we're using here. You want to smash them down, really nice, lovely cookies. Put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. And then we're going to take them out and taste them. Okay? Okay, so we are at the final after 10 to 15 minutes. I just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. Still sugar-free sugar. Alright, just making sure in a minute. You know when they're done, when they look like this, it's a golden brown crisp at the bottom. And when somebody has already took a bite of them. That is good. Look. Nice and chewy. I mean, if you want them a little harder, you can leave them in there. But once the bottom gets this color, I'm ready to take them out. I don't want them in there longer than that. Tastes really, really good. Even though I put just a tablespoon of almond flavor extract, I am tasting a lot of almond. But I love almond, so I'm an almond girl. But if you don't want almond flavor, you don't like it, omit it. Don't put it in there. Who cares? It's your world. So, after I put all my ingredients into my Fitness Pal, because everybody's going to do different variations of ingredients and how they want to do it, you can get 14, 16 cookies. I could have made these even smaller, made the calories even less. But right now, I'm going to say it was 134 calories for a cookie. But carbs, because you're not going to find a cookie that has low carbs. You can eat 2, 3 of these. Carbs is 3.3 grams. Fat 11.7. Protein 3.5. What is you saying? Let me show you because I did not lie. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I posted it and put it somewhere around here. But these, it's right here. These are the bomb. I want you to look at them. Really good. This brings a little bit of sugar on top. Look at that. Look at the cookie. Keto friendly cookie. Okay, 3.3 grams. What is grams? 3.3 grams of sugar. This cookie's so good. I'm giving y'all wrong information. 3.3 grams of carbs. Get it together. Okay, until next time, we're gonna cook something that's different, keto, healthy, friendly, and we're gonna enjoy it and love it. Until next time, guys.